Hello. On to more examples on differentiation. And we start with the first one, example number 1, whereby our function y is equals to tan x plus sec x. So the derivative of y is equals to, as I had earlier mentioned, that tan x, the derivative of tan x is sec squared x. So here we just get sec squared x, then plus what is the derivative of sec x? Remember that the derivative of sec x is equals to sec x multiplied by tan x. So that means our answer here should be sec x squared plus sec x tan x. Example number 2, y is equals to x tan x. In such a question whereby we have two terms, the first term is x, the second term is tan x. In such a case, this is how you treat it. You have the first term, you differentiate it, then the derivative you multiply by the second term, which is tan x, then you add the first term multiplied by the derivative of the second term. So it's going to be like this: y prime is equals to the derivative of that one, you multiply by tan x plus x, and then we get the derivative of tan x. So here the derivative of x is 1, then we multiply by tan x plus x, then the derivative of tan x is sec squared x. And that's your answer for example number 2. Example number 3, y is equals to 4 all over 1 plus x. So in the same case, in the same way as we've done for example number 2, we have two terms here. So you find the derivative of the first term multiplied by the second term plus the first term multiplied by the derivative of the second term. Our first term is 4. So here it's like this: y is equals to 4 multiplied by 1 over 1 plus x. So we have the first term is 4 and the second term is 1 over 1 plus x. So y prime is equals to the derivative of 4 multiplied by 1 over 1 plus x plus 4 multiplied by the derivative of the second term. The derivative of a constant, which is 4, is 0, and therefore here we'll have 0 multiplied by 1 over 1 plus x, then plus 4. This is the same as this. So 0 multiplied by anything, of course, you get a 0, plus the derivative of the second term is we have 4 into, we bring minus 1 there, and then we'll have 1 plus x power negative 2, because it's minus 1 minus 1. So here we are going to have our derivative is equals to negative 4, then 1 plus x power negative 2, and this is the same as negative 4 all over 1 plus x squared. Example number 4, we have sine of 4x cos 3x, and just the same way as we've been doing, we have the first term and then this is our second term. So we differentiate the first term multiplied by the second term plus the first term multiplied by the derivative of the second term. So our y prime should be equal to differentiate the first term, we should start by differentiating the 4x, then the derivative of sine 4x multiplied by cos 3x plus sine of 4x multiplied by the derivative of the second term, And just the same way, we start by differentiating 3x, then cos 3x derivative. So y prime is equals to, the derivative of 4x is 4, derivative of sine of 4x is what? Is cos. Second term is cos. The first term, the derivative of 4x is 4, derivative of sine 4x is cos 4x, then cos 3x plus sine of 4x, derivative of 3x is 3, then minus sine of 3x. And therefore our answer should be y prime should be equals to 4 cos 4x cos 3x minus 3 sine 4x sine 3x. The fifth example is cos exponential of t plus sine exponential of t plus 3. This is our function. Therefore, our y prime should be equal to, just the same way, get the derivative of the first term, cos of exponential power t, derivative plus the derivative of exponential power t, then the derivative of sine of exponential power t, then plus the derivative of the constant. So y prime is equals to, what is the derivative of exponential power t? That one remains the same. Then the derivative of cos exponential power t should have a minus sine exponential power t plus exponential power t cos exponential power t. The derivative of any constant is always 0. So if we check at this answer, the derivative of our function y, we can see we have some terms in common, and that's exponential power t. The first term is common in both here and there. So if we simplify, we are going to have our answer as y prime is equals to exponential power t into cos of exponential power t minus sine of exponential power t. And then you are done. The end of my examples for today. Thanks a lot for being with me for those minutes and learning how to differentiate these these functions. And until next time, keep learning, keep liking, keep subscribing. Thanks, bye.